Alright, here we go. Got the 350 Legend. This is Winchester Super X. They're PowerPoints. We're just going to do a quick grouping and see how they group. And that is pretty much it to this one. Cut and dry. Shooting out of a Savage Axis. And that's it, about 50 yards. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, these are Winchester's 350 Legend. Just going to see what how they group. Doing a shot of 3. Due to ammo. Just gonna see how they group. Now again, this ain't the best setup. This would be hunting conditions. Go. And there you are. There's a Savage. We are about 50-ish yards out, and I am saving my brass. No doubt about it. Alright, here we go. Got my head probably whacked off, but at about 50 yards. Shooting 1, 2, 3. Not too snabby. Again, that ain't the great rest. As y'all seen, I was just using the front of it. Wobbles, everything else. Kind of, get as close to hunting as you possibly can. Let's just see what we got. .77, roughly. So under an inch, that's again at 50 yards. Not too bad. Those are the Winchester Super X PowerPoints. 350. Well, it is 350. 350 Legend. 350 Legend. 350 Legend. 349 plus 1 Legend. And there we go. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. That's when I was sighting it in. I mean, because it's holding together. It's definitely some nice bullets, and that Savage is a nice little gun. Got a shorter barrel on it, so thanks for watching.